You might want to enable macros in Google Sheets, and that option is not available on Google Sheets. I'm going to show you how to fix that. After uploading the file, you need to open it with Google Sheets. You click on these three buttons and then open with Google Sheets. It will open on another tab. Now, and if your tab doesn't look like this, probably it looks like this. So if you want to enable the menu, you just need to select this drop down icon, and then it will list all these options. Okay, we need to convert this XLS file to a Google Sheets file, okay, because we cannot enable macros in this Google Drive. So basically what we'll do is tap on the file and then save as Google Sheets, and then it will open another tab where now you can enable the macros. Remember, extensions is not available here. So what we'll do is just use the new one, and then you can click the extensions tab, extensions, and then macros, record macro. And most of the times when macros is unavailable, it means that the file is .xls or .xlxs, and you need to convert it to Google Sheets, which natively Google Sheets is supposed to work with. Be productive and see you on the next one.